Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Peugeot 208 here. Just going to show you how to change the date and the time on this one. So on this one, you're going to make sure your ignition or engine is switched on. Then go to the screen in the center of the dash. Then from here, you want to click on where the time is. Take you to settings center. Then go to configuration. Then date and time. And here you can do your time, click on the time, change it to what you need. Then once you've done that, press OK to save it. Then you can change the daylight saving clock there and the 24-hour clock. And for date, come down here, click on the date there. Again, click on there, change what you want, and then press back to save.